Hello, I'm Helmi, CARRO's head mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace your car aircon filter yourself. It is advisable to replace your car aircon filter at every 30,000 kilometers or annually. This is to prevent choking or clogging on the aircon airflow system. Right, for most Asian cars, the aircon filter is located below the glove box. Right, just remove away the glove box. Aircon filter cover, and you can access the aircon filter already. Dirty. New aircon filter, just pop it in. Install back the cover, make sure it's secured. Install back the glove box, clips. Voila. Okay. If you need help with any of your car repairs, do come and visit us at Sin Ming Auto City.
CARRO